This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I remove my dip powder nails. But for those who have not seen how I did these, here's a quick recap.
Break it down.
Alright, now that we have refreshed our memories, these are my dip powder nails. They have been on for 2 weeks, and as you guys can see, I have a good amount of growth here. So yeah, let me show you how I take these off. First thing I do is take my large nippers and I'm gonna clip off the length of each nail. This broke my heart a little bit. These flowers were so pretty. Next, taking a smaller pair of nippers, I'm going to use those to remove the cuticle crystals. Trying to be careful because this is where I always cut myself. Once all the crystals are off, you can take a hand file and just file down the excess product. Or you can use an e-file to quickly file down the bulk of the product. I like to use an e-file because it's just faster and I'm able to just get everything down quicker. But if you don't have an e-file, that's fine. The hand file will get the job done. So this is after filing down the dip powder nails pretty thin. I don't like to go all the way because you can risk filing into your natural nail and that's gonna hurt. So I use 100% acetone nail polish remover, cotton square, and aluminum foil. And I just saturate the cotton square with the acetone, wrap it around my nail, and secure it with the aluminum foil. And I repeat that for all of the nails. This was kind of tricky because I was trying not to get acetone on my other fingernails because they were still cute at the moment. I should have put on gloves, but it's okay. I got it done. And I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes. All right, so after letting this sit for 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. And it's kind of goopy, but you can see that it is soft. And I just use my cuticle pusher to push off the excess acrylic glue mixture. And the top layer is pretty soft that you can kind of just pull it off. So I'm gonna take the cotton swab since it is still moist, and I'm gonna try to see if I can just rub off the excess glue and acrylic. It is coming off some, but there is a little amount on the tip area that is pretty hard and won't come off. So I'm just gonna take the hand file on the 180 grit side and file that a little bit. And then I'm going to wrap it back up and let it sit for another 10 minutes or so. While that pinky nail soaks a little bit, I'm just gonna move on to the next finger and pretty much do the same thing. Using my cuticle pusher to scrape off any of the softened acrylic glue mixture. And as always, you want to do this very gently. You don't want to scrape the surface of your nail because that can cause damage. So always do everything with a light touch. It doesn't take for you to, scrape your finger to death to get this off. If it's too hard to scrape off, just wrap it back up and let it soak for another 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so after another 10 minutes, this is what the pinky nail is looking like. As you can see, all of the product just slides right off. With my ring fingernail, I just had to scrape off a tiny bit more of the product on the tip. Everything was pretty much soft and the hand file just got the rest of the product off. And I just do a final wipe down with the acetone, and that is what it's looking like. So after soaking off all of the nails, I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil. If you don't plan on putting any more nails on, you can go ahead and buff your nails and make them pretty and such. But I didn't want to do any more filing on my nails because I will be putting some nails back on and I'll have to file then. So stay tuned for the next nail design video. My nails are already prepped. So I hope this answers the question on how I remove my nails at home without damaging them. It's not rocket science. I just pretty much soak my nails off in acetone. I let the acetone do all the work, scrape off the softened product, apply cuticle oil, and my nails are ready for a new set.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.